Hello students, let us continue with our English grammar third weekly practice revision. With question 2b, write down the possessive forms of the following. Let's recall. Possessive noun shows possession or belonging. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. So what is a possessive noun? A possessive noun shows possession or belonging, and it always comes before the noun that belongs to it. Now what are the rules? There are three rules. First rule is for singular noun and remaining two rules are for the plural nouns. Let's go with the first rule. The apostrophe goes in front or before of the s if the person, place or an object having the owning or belonging is in the form of singular noun, or we can say just one. Second rule, and the apostrophe goes after the s if the person, place or an object having the owning or belonging is in the form of plural noun, or we can say more than one. We add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not end in s to make it in possessive form. So you must remember all these three rules very well. The first rule is for singular noun, means only for one, and the remaining two rules are for the plural nouns, means more than one. Now let us start with this exercise. Question 2b. Write down the possessive form of the following. First one, the tails of the foxes. So the answer will be the foxes' tails. Now over here in foxes, after s there is an apostrophe sign. Why? Because foxes is already in the plural form. So to show the answer in possessive case form, we will put an apostrophe sign after s. So the answer will be the foxes' tails. Number 2, the house of my friend. So over here the answer will be my friend's house. Over here again friend is in singular form. So to show the possession or to show the possessive case form of singular, what we will do after D, we will put apostrophe S as per rule number 1. So the answer will become my friend's house. Number 3, the baby's cradle. Over here the answer will be the baby's cradles. Now babies, it is in singular form. So to change it into plural form, what we will do, we will write babies and after s we will put apostrophe sign because it is in plural form with possessive case, whereas this answer it is in singular form. So the answer will become the baby's cradles. Fourth one, the doll belonging to Mona. So the answer is very simple. The doll belonging to Mona. So the answer will be Mona's doll. Over here, this sentence shows the possession of a person with a doll. That this doll belongs to Mona, or we can say Mona's doll. And Mona over here it is in singular form. Therefore, the answer of possessive case will be also in singular form. So we are going to apply the rule number 1. That is apostrophe s to show the possessive case form. Fifth one, the paws of the dog. So the answer will be the dog's paws. Over here when we say dogs, now here dog is in singular form. So for showing its possessive case form, we will just put apostrophe s. So it will become the dog's paws. So the answer is the dog's paws with singular form of possessive case. Sixth one, the donkey's tail. Now over here, donkeys, it is in singular form. Now to make this answer in plural possessive case form, after s we will put apostrophe sign. So it will become in plural form as per rule number 3. Now seventh one, the nests of the birds. So the answer will be the birds' nests. Now over here we can see birds, it is already in the plural form. So what we will do, we will put an apostrophe sign after s to show the plural possessive case form. So the answer will become the bird's nests. Eighth one, the car owned by the lady. So the answer will be the lady's car. Why ladies? Because over here lady it is in singular form. So the answer of possessive case will be also in singular form. So to show the possession, what we will do after Y, we will add apostrophe S. So we can also say over here there is a possession or belonging of lady with her car, that this car is owned by the lady. Ninth one, the shop of the grocer. So the answer will be the grocer's shop. Now over here again grocer is in singular form, so its possessive case form will be also in singular. So what we will do after R, we will add apostrophe S to show the possession. So the answer will become the grocer's shop. 10th one, the son of the barber. Over here the answer will be the barber's son. Now here again barber is in singular form, so the answer in possessive case also will be in singular form. So what we will do after R, we will add apostrophe S to show the possession, that the son of the barber or the barber's son.